Hello guys, welcome to Lulu's Kitchen. In today's video we are going to be making lasagna pasta. So in our frying pan we added butter. After adding the butter, we stir the butter until the butter is a little bit melt. Allow the butter to melt a little bit, then we go in with our olive oil. Add the olive oil, allow the olive oil and the butter to mix together. Then we go in with our chopped onions, add the onions and stir fry it until the onions is well fried and nice. Make sure it is well fried. Then the next thing we are going to add is our ginger powder. Add your ginger powder, fry it along with the onions so that the ginger can be able to simmer with the onions. So the next thing we are going to do is to add our grated meat. Add the grated meat, make sure the grated meat is well add and nice. Then we turn it and make sure they are well mixed and combined together. Then the next thing we are going to add is to go in with all our seasoning that you already prepared there. Then the next thing we add is paprika, pepper, and ginger powder, garlic powder, salt, nutmeg, and black pepper. Add it, then we go in with our pepper, guys. So add it and mix and combine together. Then mix it, make sure the ingredients they are well mixed and combined together. Then after enough mixing, we go in with our tomatoes, bottled tomatoes. Add your bottled tomatoes, add as much as you have at home. So after adding it, we mix and combine them together. Make sure it is well mixed and combined together, just the way you are seeing it in this video. Then the next thing is to cover it, add water and make sure that it is well cooked on our own. After enough cooking, we come back to check it's ready. We bring it down. Then the next thing is to bring out our lasagna, open it and dig out as many as you want to cook. Then we begin to line down our sauce into our baking pan. Lie the sauce down a little bit, then go in with some cheese. Add your cheese and make sure the cheese is well added. Then the next thing is to lie down the lasagna. Make sure the lasagna is well laid together so that if you want to separate it or if you want to scoop it, you can easily scoop it very well. Then after laying down the lasagna, then we go in with sauce. You have to repeat the same process until the whole sauce is finished. Then we line down the second part. After laying it down, then we go in with sauce. After adding the sauce, then we repeat the same process again and again as much as you have enough lasagna and enough space. Then we go in with our cheese. Add your cheese. After adding the cheese, make sure the cheese is well added and nice. Guys, if you are watching my video to this extent, what are you waiting for? Follow me on my Facebook page, subscribe on my YouTube channel, and don't always forget to drop your comment. As you can see, put it in the oven and our lasagna is ready to eat and ready to enjoy. Guys, what do you think? It's so amazing, guys. So it's time to dish out and we eat. You know, I like you guys to always come along with me, to come and eat with us. Come and eat with us, enjoy with us, and let's test our lasagna. This lasagna tastes so amazing. It was so yummy and so delicious, easy to grab and easy afternoon food to eat. Don't forget to like and don't forget to follow. Enjoy with us, eat with us. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.